Islamic mythology is rich in stories of mystical creatures that appear in Islamic literature, art, and culture. These creatures often embody moral, spiritual, and mystical qualities and are believed to inhabit different realms of existence. In this article, we will explore some of the most well-known creatures in Islamic mythology. Angels. Angels are the most significant and revered creatures in Islamic mythology. They are believed to be created by Allah from light and are responsible for carrying out His commands. The Quran mentions several types of angels, including Jibreel, Gabriel. Known as the Angel of Revelation, he is responsible for delivering Allah's message to the Prophet. Mikael, Michael. Known as the Angel of Mercy, he is responsible for providing sustenance and rain to the earth. Israfil. Known as the Angel of the Trumpet, he is responsible for blowing the trumpet on the Day of Judgment. Azrael. Known as the Angel of Death, he is responsible for taking the souls of the deceased. Jinn. Jinn are supernatural creatures in Islamic mythology that are believed to inhabit the earth and other realms of existence. They are created from smokeless fire and have free will like humans. The Quran mentions several types of jinn, including Marid, a powerful and rebellious type of jinn that is known for its strength and ability to grant wishes. Ifrit, a type of jinn that is associated with fire and is known for its mischief and cunning nature. Ghul, a type of jinn that is associated with death and is known for its ability to shift into different forms. Iblis. Iblis is a figure in Islamic mythology, who is also known as Shaitan or Satan. He is believed to have been created from smokeless fire and was once among the angels. However, he refused to bow down to Adam when Allah ordered him to do so, and as a result, he was expelled from heaven. Iblis is considered the embodiment of evil in Islamic mythology and is believed to be the source of temptation and corruption. Dajjal. Dajjal is a figure in Islamic eschatology who is believed to be the false Messiah or the Antichrist. He is described as a deceiver who will appear before the end of times and will lead people astray from the true path of Islam. Dajjal is said to have only one eye, and his appearance will be accompanied by widespread chaos and destruction. Al-Buraq. Al-Buraq is a mystical creature in Islamic mythology that is believed to have carried the Prophet Muhammad on his journey from Mecca to Jerusalem and back. It is described as a white, winged creature with the face of a woman and the body of a horse. Al-Qadir. Al-Qadir is a figure in Islamic mythology who is believed to be a wise and righteous man who possesses knowledge of the unseen. He is often depicted as a wandering sage who offers guidance and advice to those in need. According to Islamic tradition, Al-Qadir is believed to have drunk from the fountain of youth, which has granted him immortality. Jinniya, also known as Jinniya or Jan, are female jinn in Islamic mythology. They are often depicted as beautiful and seductive beings who can shift into different forms. The Jinniya are believed to be skilled in magic and can grant wishes to humans if they are pleased with them. Buraq. Buraq is a mythical creature in Islamic mythology that is similar to Al-Buraq. It is described as a winged horse with a woman's face and a peacock.